Located in the quiet neighborhood of Kamellnäs, on the outskirts of Stockholm, Villa Eder-Hederus, by Arkitekter and General Architecture, is a remarkable example of how architecture can bridge the past and the present. The new addition was designed not to compete with the old structure, but to embrace it. The additional volume forms a harmonious relationship with the original cottage, creating an architectural composition that feels natural within the surrounding landscape. Interiorly, the wood is left exposed, unfinished, creating a warm atmosphere while emphasizing the honesty of the material. This decision not only provides a strong visual character but also underscores a commitment to sustainability, a key theme in the work of Arkitekter and General Architecture. The spaces within Villa Eder-Hederus are carefully arranged to maximize natural light and a visual connection to the garden. The living area is double height, creating a sense of space and openness. From this space, views out to the landscape feel seamless, blurring the lines between interior and exterior. The intuitive layout and efficient circulation make this house not only visually beautiful but also comfortable for daily activities. The house's main strength lies in the dialogue between old and new. The original log cabin remains the emotional center, while the modern additions serve as complements, enriching the spatial experience. Together, they form a characterful whole, an architectural narrative that affirms that past and future do not have to be mutually exclusive, but can coexist harmoniously. Ultimately, Villa Eder-Hederus is not just a renovation project, but a manifesto on how to build with awareness and respect. This house teaches us that good architecture is not just about form, but also about how it dialogues with its context, history, and surrounding landscape. It is an inspiration for anyone looking to renew an old home without losing its original soul, proving that true beauty emerges from a balance between authenticity, function, and human warmth.